Hi, my name is Viridiana Gonzalez. I am a sophomore at USF. I am in the College of Education with my major being English Education, grades 6 through 12. My future profession, of course, would be an English teacher, preferably at a high school level. This is my e-portfolio. I created this using a website called Wix.com. And I'll walk you through the design and layout. So over here on the left side, my name, my teaching e-portfolio, a way to contact me through email or through phone, and here in the corner is an About Me page with a small picture just so you can put a face to the name. It says a little more about me. I grew up in Florida and graduated from high school in 2018. My current education status at USF. And then over here are my current projects and anything that I'm currently doing. I am a mentor for the College Assistant Migrant Program, also known as CAMP, here at USF. And then I also volunteer at Just for Girls Middle School in Palmetto, which is back in my hometown. A little bit more about my education: University of South Florida. A link to the USF history website right over here. Opens in any page. And then swing back. And then for the Technology for Education course, here's a link to my blog. Right over here, all my posts. And then download my resume right here. Allow for downloads, and it pops up in the corner. And allows you to open a resume document. Then down here are some of my favorite books. There are 12, so if we would like to have a monthly read, here are 12 total. Down here, I did skip over this as I was scrolling by. But if you click on the tabs, it'll take you down to education, down to my blog and resume, and over here to my favorite reads. I hope you enjoyed, and this website is easy to use.